Welcome to Hosting. In this video, I'll show you how to create and restore backups in cPanel. Backing up your website is one of the most important steps in website management. Backups help you protect your files, emails, and databases in case of accidental deletion, website errors, or security issues. The first thing you're going to do is to log into your cPanel hosting account on Hosting. Once you're on the cPanel dashboard, scroll down and locate the Files section. Click on Backup Wizard. The Backup Wizard is recommended for beginners because it guides you through the process step by step. To create the backup, click on Backup. Here you can choose what you want to backup. You can download a full account backup which includes all your files, emails, and databases, or select a partial backup such as home directory files, databases, or email folders and filters. Choose the backup option you prefer. Go ahead and change the backup's destination if you'd like to choose another target location for the backup. Then click Generate Backup. Your backup file will be created and downloaded to your device. Make sure you store it in a safe place. Now, let's look at how to restore backup in cPanel. Still on the Backup Wizard section, select Restore. From here, you can choose the type of backup you want to restore, such as home directory files, databases, or email backups. Click Choose File. Select the backup file from your computer, then click Upload. cPanel will begin restoring your data, and this may take a few moments depending on the file size. Once the restore process is complete, your website files or emails will be restored to their original location. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create and restore backups in cPanel, helping you keep your website safe and secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need stellar hosting services. Also, subscribe for more easy web hosting tutorials with Hosting. See you in the next video.